Hi, this was a video that I tried to make a few days ago where I actually took a profit in PayPal and I saved that money because PayPal went up about $3. I took off all my shorts and it moved all the way back to unchanged by the end of the day. So, um, I still think being short the 93 levels was a good idea, but kind of just had enough with this position and I just took it all off. Um, I could still have made a lot more money if it went back up to like the 93 level and just sat there, and it might do that. But I saved this $3,000, $4,000, and I can still put that position on if I so choose to in the future. So let's just take a look at it. These numbers are complete nonsense. This plus 1,300. All I know is that the stock's up $2.25, and I'm long 1,000 deltas, which is I'm showing you here. So I was long 1,400 deltas, so it being up $2, I should be expecting to make $2,800 plus some decay, and still be long 1,400 minus 600. The thing is that they've got the price where it's at. I'm long less than 1,400, up $2, but I was long 1,400 $2 ago. So these numbers are all completely bogus. Interactive tools, brokers' tools just aren't good for this. My net lick is probably a little bit more accurate. So I've also got margin issues here, which I don't know are going to disappear after the options are open. Probably. The thing is I have no stock position. It's all options. And basically backspread the downside stuff and short the upside stuff, which is, if you can get it for the right price, it's just the way to go. But you don't want to pay up for it. Stocks tend to go down in a hurry, they tend to go up slowly. So this is the position that everybody wants to have, and that's why downside is always more expensive than upside, unless you're in a situation like we are now, where like every stock just keeps going to the moon every single day, and QQQ. So here's the market's just open, and instantly I'm up $3,500, which makes more sense, and I've still got some margin problems that I have to figure out, and I got to deal with this silly SMA thing because I lowered the amount of money in my account. So I'm just showing you, I'm looking at where the options are, and here's where I'm going to trade out of my 91 calls. The thing is here's warning me that I have a margin issue. I'm trying to close something so I don't have a margin issue and take a profit. So relax, dudes. Here I didn't like, I'm suddenly not getting feeds on everything that I'm got positions in, which is unacceptable. I don't know why it happens, but it does. I have no idea what I was talking about at the time. I've been having problems with my computer, and I lost a lot of files, and it's caused some chaos. And I didn't have the right audio hooked up to my Camtasia program that I use. So, let's just fast forward here. Eventually, what I did was I bought back everything and I sold everything. I got almost completely out when the stock was up $3. So let's just fast forward here. You can see my orders and my trades. Here I'm up $4,000. And let's see if we can get my trades. I'm still trading. But you can tell I was short all these 93, all these upside calls, and they're all gone. Short like 54, they're gone. My long premium is gone in the 84 level. The 88 level, it's almost all gone. Here, the 91 line, completely gone. A 6 lot of 100 calls that I eventually bought back because I was just sick of looking at them and their margin implications. They're gone. My stock, I got now 300. I'm short 300 shares of stock. And my margin problems are obviously gone because I just got rid of everything. Here I wanted to do something and it wouldn't let me do it for margin reasons, and I have no idea why. I wanted to sell some 86 puts apparently, which I would have hedged. I think I just wanted to sell the 10 lot I was long, and they wouldn't let me do it. I have no idea why. It's just because it has something to do with margin. And I don't think it would even let me do it delta neutral. But I'm long that put and I want to get rid of it. So I decided, like, well, should I just sell the calls? It's going to let me do that. Which is probably what I did. Here I'm looking at my margin. I can't see my trades yet. But look, now the stock was up $3. Now it's up $2, but my profit is at its zenith, which is $4,300. Now I'm up 44. Now I'm up 45. The stock is still up 2 at this point. All right, here are my trades. I just got out of everything. And it's a good thing that I did. It's because you can see the stock is starting to go down. I'm looking at my deltas. I sold the 10 lot. I'm completely out of just about everything. My position is tiny, except for conversions and reversals and boxes and things, which shouldn't lead to like such a maintenance margin, and I've been arguing with them ever since about it. I looked at my delta. I got rid of my stock, I think. So now I have no stock position. And look, the stock is now up only $1.58. So at the end of the video, the stock was up $1.55. But what I'll tell you is that by the end of the day, it was only up 3 cents. Now, had I done absolutely nothing instead of like essentially backspread the 93 levels and then just sell everything else out, I would have made like maybe $200 instead of $4,500. And, that leaves me the opportunity if I just want to sell the exact same calls that I was short for whatever they declined in a day of value, which probably the volatility went up because this stock was up 3 and down 3. I could probably just sell them out exactly where I did. And I think I wound up actually selling some calls, but not a great deal. I was happy with where I was with my position, and I just want to ride it out and try to get out of these boxes and things and just wait until January 3rd. If I can free up some capital to trade something else, I will. But this is more of an educational thing, so I'm not going to be taking wild bets in PayPal. I don't recommend that you do either. You should have a diversified portfolio of options, trades, or do it on an index. Do it on something like SPLG. It's only trading, it's trading the same thing, but it's a diversified index, so it's a lot safer. So, I saved, I really made $4,500 for myself by the way I traded. And I took all my risk off. So, I did well today.